first step to remove the steering wheel, you got to loosen up the Torx T30 on both sides to get the airbag out, and then you'll get access to taking this off on the inside, and I'll show you the rest. Okay, so I unbolted the airbag, and those Torx screws that are right here that we undid, they don't come out all the way, and sometimes they will get stuck on the holes. So what I recommend is just shaking it a bit and trying to get at least one side to be out of the hole, and then you can kind of move the airbag around and get it out. As you can tell, I got mine out and good to go. Okay, the next steps, get that out of there, and then on the airbag itself, on the back of the airbag, you'll have this ground. You can pop that out. You're gonna have to get all the wires out of here as well, like I did. And then these yellow tabs right here, you have to take a flathead, get it under there, pry them up, and then these should just pop out. All right, we got the airbag off. The next step, take your 7/8 socket with an extension and a big ass breaker bar. Get it on there. Make sure your steering wheel is locked, and you're gonna have to break it loose. All right, once you break it loose, you get it to where you can, move it with your finger. Just leave it on there. And then what you're gonna wanna do is kind of go side to side with both arms and break the steering wheel loose. Then once you do that, you can take this bolt out and take the steering wheel completely off. The next step is to transfer everything you want from your old steering wheel to the new one, like buttons in case they weren't included. In my case, I did get sent a automatic BK1 steering wheel, and mine is not automatic, as you can tell. So for me, I'm swapping the back piece out, and then I think I'm gonna just keep the same buttons because I did get buttons included, so it doesn't really matter. So wiring harness and rear panel, swapping that out, putting it on there. Pretty much to do that, there's 2 bolts in there for this piece, which I'm not sure if you need that out, but I think it makes it easier. And then there's 2 bolts there, one there and one there. So just like that. And like I said, those 2 in the inside, I'm not sure if they're holding this or not, but I took them out of that steering wheel, so it is what it is.